Hi, I'm Cash, Product Manager at Laxco Microscopes, and today I'm giving you a hands-on look at the Accuva LEAP, a modular, motorized imaging platform built for serious research. LEAP is designed to seamlessly switch between bright field, phase, and fluorescence imaging at the press of a button. Let's take a closer look at this function. So as you will observe, I have a bright field sample here at 2x magnification and focus. And I also have the acquired overview here, which enables me to move to different locations on the slide. I can also move the stage manually with just holding down the image. Now I'm going to switch from bright field to phase at the click of a button. So now I have selected the phase mode. I have a phase sample in slide slot C. I'm just going to move the phase slider in position so that it is at the right place. And now my phase mode is activated. I'm just going to increase the brightness a tiny bit. And here you can see that I have a perfectly nice phase image. I also, again, have the overview here to move to different locations on the sample at the click of a button. And I can also choose to manually move the stage by holding down the right click. Now let's go to fluorescence. You will see that there is a dark field cover on the stage. My fluorescence slide is on slide position A. I'm simply going to click it. It will move to position A. I'm going to turn on my fluorescent illumination. And I will probably go to a higher mag. And let's turn on one channel and see what the sample looks like. So I have a really nice image. I can move the image to the center a little bit. It might need a little bit of focusing, so I'm going to find focus it a tiny bit. And here is my fluorescence image. Again, at the click of a button, I can simply turn off my fluorescent channel. I can choose to drop down to a lower mag, and I will go back to my bright field sample, which is on slide B. So again, I adjust brightness a little bit. I'm going to move the phase slider out of the way, and I'm again back to bright field. This is a little too bright, so I'm going to adjust the brightness. And yeah, at the click of a button, I can very easily switch between channels. Thank you.